This tutorial will conclude our provider examination tutorial. The next section we're going to go over is the exam internal. And the first thing you'll notice here is the type of examination that we're going to do. You can select BIO, direct, the type of lens we're using, and so forth. You can also put in the CD ratio. You can type it in manually, or you can also use the drop-down boxes here to select the CD that you would like to pick. Also the AV ratio, and if there's pathology, you can select the type of pathology by clicking the specific part of the eye. For example, if you want to click the disc, you can select glaucoma, severity of the glaucoma, and hit save, and it will show glaucoma suspect, borderline pressures or cupping with a severity of 3. You can also draw into these this picture of the fundus here by using the draw program. You can pick the color that you want by clicking stroke first and then the specific color. You can draw blood spots anywhere you want to do it. You can also use this is a free shape tool. You can also use specific oval, for example. If you want to draw in there any kind of oval shapes, you can do that. You can also do rectangular shapes, any kind of shapes that you want to do. To empty this, to delete, you can do one of two ways. You can undo the previous item that you put in, or you can go ahead and select the eye you want to do and empty the whole entire thing. And we'll leave some drawings here. Let's go ahead and select free shape, undo the last one, or empty the last one here, and we're drawing some new flame hemorrhages here. You can also show what type of dilation we've done here, where there's right eye, left eye, both eyes, dilation yes. This information here is automatically populated, so you would not be able, you can change it, but you shouldn't have to do that. You can also put in the type of drop that you have used to dilate the pupil. And if you use a drop in here that is not listed, you can go ahead and type in your specific drop that you've used if it's not in the category that's listed there. You can also put in additional notes here. This information here is automatically populated based on who signed in. You can save this page by clicking save all and next, or clicking the next section here. The information is gathered from the testing that was done before. For example, when we come back here, we're showing that we have some information that shows the patient was farsighted with myopia, astigmatism, and also presbyopia, so we'll automatically take that information and dump it into the system. Also, during our internal testing, we noted that the patient has glaucoma, so we'll automatically put that information here. You're allowed to edit a plan for the patient. And you can hit save. Now, also, it will note any specific problems based on pressures. For example, we have a pressure here of 22. And for example, I will show you how this works. We will delete this information here. Delete this information here. And the computer assessed that there was a pressure of 22, and it's asking you what do you want to do with that. And you can type in a plan for this condition. Also, it'll analyze, for example, this section here has a anisometropia, any power difference of 1 diopter or more, it will note that there is anisometropia. To select the type of the prescription for the patient, you can come over here and click Manifest, and this information is pulled from the fluorometry information. So if we were to have information here, here, and here, you can draw that information into the prescription. That way there's less risk of transcription errors. You can also generate a secondary prescription for near vision only, distance vision only, computer glasses, and also sunglasses. You can also select different types of recommendations, for example, bifocals, progressives, high index, and so forth for the patient. If you want to refer this patient to an outside doctor, you can click Open Referral Form. It will take all of the information that was gathered, any drawings that you may have had, and it will post them here. You can put in the reason for referrals, any kind of problems. You can put in the prescription information, type in your assessment and plan, sign it, and print it. You can hit print on it, and then you can go ahead and reprint it for the specialist that you want to send it to. To get back to the other page, you just hit back on the button here, and then we're back to this page here again. To save this information, all you have to do is hit Save All and Next, or click the next tab that you go to. This billing and coding page will have all of the possible procedures and testing that we would do to select what was done for the patient. For example, here we're going to do a comprehensive new exam with refraction and a toric contact lens fitting. They may have also signed up for some fundus imaging and any other procedures that you may have. To save this information, you can hit Save All and Next, or go to the next tab. The last page here is designed for you to allow addendums. For example, once you sign this chart, you will not be able to alter any information that's been saved previously, but you can insert certain comments. Maybe the prescription was redone. You can put in that information here. And this will be saved as an addendum to the chart itself. And just hit save there, and then it saves that information for you. That way you can add more information if you need to for the future. You can also insert images. For example, if you have generated any kind of instrumentation testing, you can hit browse. For example, we're going to upload this picture of this doctor in a lab coat. Put in here, for example, if this was a picture of a automated refraction and keratometry data, you can put that in there. You hit save. This will be uploaded to the server. It will be saved, and you need to view it. You can click View Document. You can see the information as presented. And this concludes the tutorial for the examination for providers.